Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Sign into an administrator account so you can remove programs without interruption. Next, open Start, then Settings, then Apps, and go to Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists Java installs. Make sure Java-dependent applications and browsers are closed, otherwise files may be locked. Once done, use the search box in Installed Apps to filter Java or JRE so you can locate every entry quickly and get ready for the next removal steps. You now remove Java entries one by one. Click the kebab or three dots beside each Java or JRE listing and choose Uninstall, then follow the built-in prompts. If multiple versions appear, uninstall older versions first, then the newest, because leftovers can persist. When an uninstaller asks for confirmation or admin permission, grant it. If the process stalls, rerun the uninstaller as administrator. Make sure to monitor any bundled components prompts and decline toolbars or third-party offers you do not want. You finish by restarting Windows 11 to release locks and stop Java services. This completes most uninstall workflows. After reboot, check and delete leftover folders such as C, /program files /java and any Java folders under %appdata% or %localappdata%. Then verify removal. Open command prompt and run Java version. If it fails or reports no Java, you're done. If Java still appears, run the Microsoft program install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.